Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are designed to think, learn, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include problem-solving, decision-making, learning from experience, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and perceiving the environment. Key features of AI learning. Machines can improve their performance over time by processing data and identifying patterns, e.g., through machine learning. Reasoning. AI can make decisions and solve problems based on data and algorithms. Perception. AI can interpret sensory inputs like visual data, images, videos, and audio. Interaction. It can interact with humans via natural language processing, e.g., chatbots, and other interfaces. Types of AI. Narrow AI. AI systems designed for specific tasks, like voice assistants, Siri, Alexa, recommendation systems, and image recognition. General AI. A theoretical AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can do. Super AI. A future concept where AI surpasses human intelligence in all fields. Applications of AI, healthcare, diagnosing diseases, personalized medicine. Finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, entertainment, movie recommendations, gaming, education. Personal.